Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete chapter 1 on the Lana lore quest in Dress to Impress. So make sure you go to the server and go to the Halloween one. So on the first one, you're going to follow these flowers on the ground. And you are going to keep following the flowers here. As you can see, they're on the ground. Okay, it's to the right. It's a little bit tedious. I feel like she already knows where she's going, but you're just going to follow the flowers, and if not, you're just going to be teleported to the house anyways. Here's me just walking. I think they've done this a couple of times, so let's hope that I can show you the tutorial without them like being in the way. Just keep on following the white flowers. As like for the keys, I'll try to show you where each of the items and keys are, but if not, I did do like a more in-depth tutorial on this. Okay, so once you find this, you can go straight to the right to the barn to basically find the first key. It is the blue key. And the door is, I think, to the bedroom to the left, like the bedroom next to Lana's room. There is a key in Lana's room. There's a key in the living room next to the dresser. There's a key next to the dresser in that left room. There's a key in like the pot. There's also one next to the piano. I think I've said that. Like next, like underneath the plant. That's why you can like barely see it. Oops, my mic just almost fell. I think there's one more key left. I don't remember where it is, but hopefully I can show you the full tutorial. So first, I like to go to the barn because it's just easier because it's outside. It's the blue one. Be careful with the monsters because you only have like a few amount left. I don't know what that person's doing. Okay, so the first key is this one. And it's under this box. It's like the diary or book or whatever. Deposit it here, and there's one key here. I think she already got it. It's for the one outside. Oops, that scared me. Okay, now we have this purple one. Wait, I think the purple one is the one outside, actually. Let me see if I remember. Okay, so yeah, the purple one is here. It's the teddy bear, which is underneath this. Ta-da! It's like the garage. I think I'll just show you like the hard. Oh. Can I just see where the monsters are? I can't go in there. Wait, what just happened? Kind of looped the ghost and just ran here. Oh, never mind, I got caught. Don't do that. Honestly, like, there. Okay. Okay, so they got the attic one already. Did they even bring the stuff? What was it supposed to be? Okay, I think they got it already. It's like one of the books, I think. I'll get the key from the pot. Or did they? I think they got it already. It's in this pot, by the way. So it's the red one, and it's to the one in the basement. The nail one, I think, is like here. There's also one key behind here, and they already got it. So I can't really show you, but it's there. So yeah, that is it for this chapter 1 tutorial. I can't unlock it because I don't have the key. Someone else has it. There. That person has it. I don't know why it's they're not opening it, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.